and manage your customer interactions, track leads, and provide better customer service. Analytics tools. Google Analytics is a must-have. It provides valuable insights into your website traffic, user behavior, and marketing efforts' effectiveness. Understanding your data is key to making informed decisions. Online review platforms. Encourage happy customers to leave reviews on platforms like Yelp, Google Reviews, and industry-specific sites. Positive reviews build trust and attract new customers. E-commerce platforms. If you sell products, consider setting up an online store using platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. So there you have it. Social media, SEO, and a range of other digital tools offer incredible opportunities for small businesses to connect with customers, build their brand, and thrive in today's competitive market. It might seem a little overwhelming at first, but remember to take it one step at a time. Experiment, analyze what works for you, and don't be afraid to learn and adapt. What are your favorite digital tools for your small business? Share them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more small business tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.